to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a ruffle. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Kindly subscribe and turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And for those that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you. Thank you. If you want to make a ruffle, you have to consider the length and the width of the fabric that you are going to use for the ruffle. This will determine how full your ruffle will be. If you have a long length and a wide length of your fabric, that means your ruffle is going to be full. This is the fabric I'm going to use for the ruffle. So the length is 8.5 inches. This is it here. Then here the width is 54 inches. There are different types of ruffle that you can use. You can use to attach to your skirt. You can use to attach to your top. You can use it also for your gown. So it totally depends on what you want to use it for. But in today's lecture, I'll be using 8 by 54 inches. What I will do right now, I'll take it to the machine. Then I will sew it here first before we make the ruffles. So now I will take it to the machine, then I will show you how to sew it. Now I want to sew the fabric. Sewing it now. And here is the fabric. We have sewn it round. It's time now for us to make our ruffle. So what I'm going to do right now is to place the fabric on the machine. Then I left some thread. You can see it. And you place it in the machine. Now I'm starting the sewing from the middle. I'll finish sewing it. So I have to leave some thread as well, so that I will be able to use it to pull it around. What we are going to do right now is to pick one of the thread here. At the same time, if you want to pull it, you have to be careful so that the thread won't cut off. You'll be using your hand to push it to the back. You can as well come to the second side and take one of the thread and pull it like you did to the first one. You can see the ruffles now. Your ruffle is ready. Now, this is it now. So the ruffle is ready. This is it. If you want it to spread out, you can as well adjust it. So you can see how beautiful it is. It is not hard to make. You can easily make yours. You can easily make it. So this is it here. And place it on your top this way. It's very lovely. You can see how beautiful it is. So it's very easy to make. So I urge you to make yours as well. Like I said earlier on, If you want your ruffle to be bigger than this or fuller than this, you will need more fabric. You need more fabric. So this is the outcome of the one that I have made. So it is simple to make. So I urge you to try as much as possible to make yours and let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video, so that you won't miss out. And those that have already subscribed, thank you for your support. God bless you. Amen. So with this now, you can place it on top of your top. You can use it as a design. Just place it. You can as well place it on your skirt. It's very lovely. Very, very lovely. So that's it. Till I see you in my next video. Bye.